So for this very quick recipe, you're going to need an 8 count of crescent rolls, some cooking spray, and 4 mozzarella string cheese. And a little later on, you're going to need just a little bit of melted butter. Once you get your crescent roll dough rolled out, just separate the triangles into 8. Right here, I'm just cutting each string cheese in half so that we have 8 pieces, and then I'm going to roll each piece up into a triangle of dough. Now we're going to pop these into a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes.